Hi guys. Second stop namin to. Ano lang to? Stop area. Papalit kami ni Daddy Ben. Hindi ako nakabidyo kanina. Punta kami ng Gold Coast. So hello. Ayan, nasikaso siya ng kanyang mga chenembe. Hello. Hello. There's John. John, nakasimangot. Kakape ako eh, kasi malamig. Basta nandiyan yung maleta namin sa likod. Kaya ano, ay! Wait lang ha. Ay, Diyos ko lola niyo. Goodness. Ay, kararating lang namin dito guys after ng ilang oras na biyahe. Ay, ang aking, ano ba yan? Ang aking, ay, malamig puta. Ay, sorry. Ang lamig naman. Ito yung room namin. Simple lang.
It also has a night supply.
So, no aircon? Lava? Can you turn on the heater?
The beds look nice.
Chay lang. Naihi si Daddy Ben. Ayan lang. Simple lang siya guys.
Wi-Fi?
Simple. Diba? Tulugan lang for one night. Dito kami mag-stay guys. Ano yan? Rest Point Motor Inn. So, ano ba yan? Oh. Ito yan. Naglalakad kami. At pupunta kami sa... Ayan o. Ito lang yung kakainan namin. Steakhouse Chenembe. Diba? Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Okay. Yung kain ko kanina pa eh. Umalis kami 11 or 11:30. Oh my God, it's cold. Lamig dito? Why it's cold? Parang ang payat ko for today's video. Order kami. Wait lang guys. What's that?
Garlic prawns.
Yeah. Chicken chips. Veggie. Wala pa yung akin eh. Okay. Ayoko ng on-try on. Kain ka na lang agad diretso. Ang liit naman ang kanin nila, no? Grabe. Simple lang. Ang liit lang talaga. Cream garlic, tortilla. 6. Kasi ganyan din sa amin. John, you eat the you eat. Thank you very much, Bebe. Eat the chicken. Okay, you want me to cut the chicken? You bite the chicken. Yes, that's it. Good job. Very good. Gutom na rin ako. Sabi talaga. Maya, ulit. Ito na yung pagkain namin. Steak. O taray, ang dami. Daddy Ben.
You got the flavors.
Yeah. Veggie. Ayan lang kami guys. Before and after. Ako. Gutom kami. So water lang hindi. Kasi pero marami naman siyang
Almost the only person who left something.
before and after. Bite na kami. Wait lang. Mga sob-sob na.
1100
So yummy, John?
Yes.
Good job.
Bukan. Sama.
So 143 ang aming food. So okay na yun. Diba? Ganda oh. Yeah, quiet. Very quiet. Doon kami. Steak channel.
Everybody's goes.
Tapos dito kami. Sa aming hotel. O, diba? Lapit. Hindi pa bumaba yung kinain mo. Diba?
It's a very heavy
Kiya.
vehicle.
A vehicle?
A very heavy vehicle.
Vehicle.
Ay, malamig. Dito kami sa Kaya. Na mainit. Sana mainit. Sana it's hot. Sana it's warm. I'll borrow the key and then I will have my cigarette. Yeah.
There's the key.
Thank you.
I think when we're all in bed, I'll put that chain across. And I'll put this key right at the far end. So it's as far away from the
Yan.
door as possible.
Mama, chichanin mo muna ako. Wait lang. Ayun guys, tulog na kami. Good night, John. Yes, Daddy Ben. Ko, si John Washington. Are you sure? Oh, you lay down na. Oh, you don't fart. Baho. You want to have a poo-poo?
No.
Bumabalik yung ano ko, kamatis na yun. Okay. So, yan, tulong na kami. Tapos bukas. Ano naman, travel. How many more hours tomorrow? 4 hours, yeah?
No, about 6, I think. It's another 400 kilometers.
600. 6 hours ba no?
Wait, let me check.
Okay lang. We leave early. Yeah?
Try to, yeah.
It's currently 4
Parang,
hours away and
para maaga kami
256
makarating doon.
kilometers.
So, what?
It's currently 256 kilometers
No, I
away.
think it's more like 400.
I thought this one is halfway.
Maps is official.
Oh,
That might be the direct route or something.
malayo pa pala. Let's just gonna watch movie. Manood muna kami ng pelikula. Tapos,
I found Surface Paradise.
Surfers Paradise, Gold Coast. Doon kami pupunta, guys. Kasi school holiday ni Walter. So,
So what
Tulog na
hotel
kami.
are we staying in?
tomorrow.
What hotel are we staying in tomorrow? When we go to Gold Coast?
The Palm, ano? I forget. The Palm Chenembe. Good night, guys. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Say good night, Jan. Baho, mutot ka kasi. Good night, Loba. Medyo malamig dito kaya naka sleep. Don't do that because you were gonna wear this one tomorrow. I only bring one. Pero sa Surfers Paradise kasi is mainit. So, yun. So, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.